green. So now note that this color we are seeing is green. It's only for span element, okay, and we have already declared a span here. We have put our web development in between this span, okay. That means this span we are working on here will only affect this one that is in between, this web development. So if we save it now and we come to our browser, you see that web development has changed to green, okay. Good. So now except we decide to say span id is span id is, let's say, new text, okay, new text. Let's put it that way, new text. We'll save it and we'll come back here. It's still green, okay, it's still green. So except you come back and now say, okay, let's say we want to have different span, okay, maybe in the next line want to have another span, okay, span, and we'll say we are making examples, okay. Well, then we'll save this and we'll come back to our browser. You see that we are making examples is green, okay. Why it is green is because we have declared our span to be green here, okay. But here, because we have said span id is new text, okay, if we come down, if we change this span, if we remove it, because we are using id, so our hash must come first, okay, then we'll now say new text and we save it. You notice that this one, I will give an idea of new text will be the only one that will be affected, okay. This one down here will not be affected, okay. So let's go and see it on our, can you see now? Only that one is affected, okay, because we have declared that even if we have 1000 spans here, the one we are working on is the one that has an ID of new text, okay. Good. But if you want to say, okay, all spans will have the same color, then we can now say span color is brown. But then we'll save it and we'll come back here. We'll see that the one down is brown already, okay. Good. So that means now that even if we have 10,000 spans here, they will carry that same color brown, okay, except you give them a special ID. They will now use that ID that we are giving them to style them before they can stand out, okay. So that's how IDs work. So the difference between ID and your class, okay. Before in JavaScript now we say get elements by class name, or we can use get element by ID, okay. So you can use them in different, just as you are using them in our styling, you can use them in JavaScript also.